And now straight on to the important development from along the international border that we have been in fact tracking. And just hours after pleading to BSF for ceasefire, Pakistan itself has resorted to violation of ceasefire on the international border. Schools have been actually asked to stay shut, and after resorting to small arms fire whole night, Pakistan forces began mortar firing in general areas of Arnia in the morning. 3 BSF posts have been affected. As the firing escalates, BSF and police have requested that the villagers should remain indoors. And this comes after a thermal video of Indian forces decimating Pakistani post along the international border was released by the BSF on Sunday, after which the Pakistani Rangers had called up the BSF to stop the firing. Remember, a BSF Jawan and 5 civilians were killed in an unprovoked firing by Pakistan along the international border in Arnia and Araspura sector only last week. And joining me now for more update on this particular story is my colleague Sunil G. Bhatt. Sunil, what is the update? I believe there is intermittent firing that is still on along the international border even as we speak.
Yeah, Greha, even as we speak, the Pakistanis have now resorted to mortar shelling along the international border in Arnia sector. Right now we are on our way to Arnia sector, and we just spoke to the SHO Arnia, and he said that there is firing still going on in the area, and Pakistani Rangers are also resorting to mortar shelling on the civilians as well as BSF posts. There is tension in the area. People have been told to stay indoors, and all the schools within the range of 5 kilometers along the international border in Arnia sector have been shut. Greha?
All right, Sunil, thank you so much for that update. Now, Pakistan has once again resorted to brutality at the international border, and Sunil Ji Bhatt, in fact, had this ground report prepared for us from along the border. Let's take a look at that.
I'm right now inside a bunker where these villagers have taken refuge after Pakistanis resorted to heavy shelling at the international border. These villagers live right near the international border, and they have now been evacuated, and they have taken shelter inside this bunker. आप हमें बताइए कि रात भर पाकिस्तान की गोलाबारी हुई यहाँ पर, आप किस तरह अपनी जान बचाकर यहाँ आए?
बहुत मुश्किल से सब जान बचा के इधर आए हैं। उधर से दौड़ पच के कहीं मोर्चे में अभी वो आई आपकी एम्बुलेंस उस पे आए हैं, कोई मोर्चे में बढ़ गए, कोई खड्डे में बढ़ गए, ऐसे ही जान बचाइए कि 1-2 घर पक्का मकान है उसमें चले गए, कोई भैंस
तो आप सरकार से क्या मांग कर रहे हैं?
हम सरकार से ये मांग करें कि हमको जगह मिल जाए, कोई 5-7 मरला हमारे बच्चे के लिए, सुबह से रोजा नहीं रखा, रोटी खाने के सर की।
तो आप चाहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान, ये जो हमारी सरकार है, वो पाकिस्तान को मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे?
बहुत मुंह तोड़ ईंट का जवाब पत्थर होना चाहिए सर।
There is panic in this village, and authorities have made arrangements to evacuate the villagers in Arnia sector. There has been ceasefire there also in Samba sector. We would like to talk some civilians here. आप बताइए कि आपने रात भर यहाँ पे क्या महसूस किया?
हमने क्या महसूस करना था कि जब रात को हमने नमाज अदा करके थोड़ा देर के लिए सोए, और उसके बाद पाकिस्तान ने फायरिंग शुरू कर दी, और हमने जो सहरी खानी थी रोज़ा रखने के लिए, वो भी हम नहीं खा पाए। इसलिए हमारे हमेशा मुसलमान लोग जो हैं बहुत परेशान हैं, और बाकी भी लोग जो हमारे भाई जो बॉर्डर पर रह रहे हैं वो भी परेशान हैं।
Villagers here near the international border are saying that India should give a befitting reply to Pakistan. And right now I can hear heavy gunshots being fired right here, right across there. There is heavy firing going on currently, and Pakistanis have been resorting to heavy shelling all through the night, and right now the firing continues. You can see the damage caused by the Pakistani shelling all through the night. Pakistani forces resorted to heavy shelling along the international border here in Arnia sector. Right here also on the walls you can see these marks, the damage caused by the Pakistani shelling. There is anger among the people here right near the who are living near the international border. They are saying that the government has not arranged evacuation of the civilians from this area, and they are demanding that government takes strict action against Pakistan and gives a befitting reply to the rogue nation.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.